Good evening guys, I'm McDonnell, and in today's video I want to be talking about the end of Travel Cure. Okay, so it's not really the end of Travel Cure, but this channel is actually going to be moving slightly off into a little bit of a different direction. First of all, before you decide to unsubscribe or anything like that, hear me out. Yes, we will still be doing travel vlogs of all the times that we travel because, let's face it, that's always fun. And yes, I will still be posting cinematic travel videos of all the places that we do visit. Now you see, the only thing that's going to be changing in this channel is the value that is going to be provided. So you see, originally we set out to travel the world, and along with that we were gonna give out tips and guides on how you can travel on a budget like we were. Since then we've gone through so many ups and downs working online while traveling, whilst trying to also do the research, enough research to provide this value within our vlogs and within our videos. But we quickly figured out there's just not that much time in a day, and that we just weren't achieving everything that we wanted to. So with that said, the new value that I will be providing in this channel will be knowledge of video content. Everything that I've learned to know about film, editing through Premiere Pro, and everything that I will continue to learn. Now that doesn't mean I'm an expert in this creative industry. I'm actually far from it. Way far from it. But I do want to give something back to all those who are starting out in videography, or maybe even if I can inspire someone to get out there and pick up a camera. Because honestly, let's face it, I'm 27 years old and I've had my doubts about whether or not is it too late for me to get into this industry? Am I already too old? And have I started too late? So you can go along on this ride with me, see that I'm actually having a go, so you can stop making excuses for yourself if this is what you want to get into. But don't worry, you're still gonna get all the good stuff. You're gonna get the travel vlogs, you're gonna get the travel cinematic videos. They're not going anywhere. I'd never give them up. It's just gonna be a little bit more me teaching stuff. I hope I explained everything that I needed to in this video. Yep, so if you're new here and you like the content, hell, even liked my personality, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, like, comment. I always reply to everyone, and I will see you very shortly actually. Yeah, I got a lot of good stuff coming up. I'll see you in the next video.